Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting math problem in which we have to find the value of the given expression. So let the whole expression is x. So x equals to 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3 up to infinity. And if we look at this term, which is basically is x, which we have assumed earlier. So this can be written as x equals to 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over x. Now let's take the LCM. We get x equals to 3 plus 1 over 4x plus 1 divided by 4. And further solving this, we get 3 plus x over 4x plus 1. Now again take the LCM. We get x equals to 3 times 4x plus 1 plus x divided by 4x plus 1. And solving this, we get 3 times 4x equals to 12x plus 3 times 1 equals to 3 plus x divided by 4x plus 1. Now let's cross multiply this. We get x equal to 4x plus 1 equals to 12x plus x equals to 13x plus 3. On solving this, we get 4x squared plus x equals to 13x plus 3. Now bring this 13x plus 3 to the left hand side. We get 4x squared plus x minus 13x minus 3 equals to 0. So on solving this, we get 4x squared minus 12x minus 3 equals to 0. Now to find the value of x, let's use the quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus 12 plus minus under root minus 12 square minus 4 times 4 times minus 3 divided by 2 times 4. As we know, x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a for any quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So on further solving this, we get x equals to 12 plus minus under root minus 12 square is equal to 144 plus 4 times 4 16, 16 times 3 equals to 48 over 2 times 4, that is 8. So x equals to 12 plus minus. On solving this, we get 144 plus 48, that is 192, and square root of 192 is 8 root 3 divided by 8. So we have the two values of x. One is 12 plus 8 root 3 divided by 8, which is a positive number, and second is 12 minus 8 root 3 divided by 8, which is negative. We will not consider this number as we have already assumed x equals to 3 plus 1 over something, which is clearly a positive number. So we neglect this 12 minus 8 root 3 over 8, and our final value is x equals to 12 plus 8 root 3 over 8. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.